See, what do you mean by foreign spouse in Vedic astrology? So, if you actually split the foreign spouse into two words, you'll get as foreign and spouse. So, foreign means, so let's say for example, if you are living in the country India, so other than Indian country, other countries are foreign countries. Now, let's say for example, suppose you are living in a USA. So, other than USA, other countries are foreign countries. So spouse means, so let's say for example you are male. So spouse means for you it will be female. So let's say for example if you are female, then spouse will be male for you. Now foreign spouse means someone who is living in other countries. So let's say for example if X person is staying in Indian country or living in Indian country and is born in Indian country, and suppose Y person is staying in America or American country. So if X person loves the Y person who is living in the USA or in US country and marries him or her, that shows that this is a foreign spouse. So the person, the X person who is marrying the Y person is a foreign spouse, or the Y person who is marrying this X person is a foreign spouse. So this is the main definition of a foreign spouse in Vedic astrology. Hey, hello. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach about foreign spouse in Vedic astrology. So before beginning, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section, okay? So let's begin. So mainly I'm going to tell some conditions that you need to check in the birth chart or in your horoscope, whether you'll get foreign spouse or not. So the conditions are: first, check the condition of planet Venus. Second, check the condition of planet Jupiter. Third, check the condition of 7th house and 7th house lord where it is placed. Check its condition. After checking this, check the condition of Dharakaraka. So these are all the main conditions that you need to check in your horoscope. Now, additional to this, check the condition of the Pisces zodiac sign, check the condition of the Sagittarius zodiac sign, and also check the condition of 12th house and 12th house lord, and also 9th house and 9th house lord. After checking all these conditions, check the condition of planet Rahu and also 5th house and 5th house lord. So these are the main important conditions that you need to check in your horoscope for foreign spouse in Vedic astrology. Now coming to planet Venus. Why I told you planet Venus is the main condition for foreign spouse? See, actually in order to check the spouse, you need to check the condition of planet Venus. So in a husband chart or in a man's chart, Venus plays a major important role, because Venus represents wife in a husband chart, or Venus represents female in a male chart. So Venus should be placed in an exalted sign, Mool Trikona sign, own sign, or in a friendly sign, or in a very good houses like Kendras and Trikonas. That shows that surely you get a very good, beautiful spouse. Now, after checking this Venus condition, check the condition of planet Jupiter. Why planet Jupiter? Jupiter represents husband in a female chart or in a woman's chart. So Jupiter should be placed very well in a female chart or in a wife chart. So if it is placed in an exalted sign, Mool Trikona sign, especially in a Kendras or Trikonas, that shows that surely the wife or the female gets a very good, caring and very good looking, handsome husband. So after checking all these conditions, check the condition of planet sitting in the 7th house. So let's say for example if Rahu is sitting in the 7th house, that shows that surely you get a foreign spouse. So check where is your 7th house lord is sitting. If 7th house lord is sitting, like say for example in the 12th house, or even in the 6th house, or even in the 9th house, that shows that surely you get a foreign spouse. Or if 7th house lord is conjuncted with 12th house lord or 9th house lord, or even conjuncted with planet Rahu, that shows that surely you get a foreign spouse. Now, after checking all these conditions, check the condition of Dharakaraka planet. Now, what is Dharakaraka planet? See, Dharakaraka planet is the planet which is having the lowest degree in your horoscope. Check that condition. So, if it is receiving any aspect from Rahu, or if it is conjuncted with planet Rahu, or if it is conjuncted with the 9th house lord or 12th house lord, that shows that surely you will have a foreign spouse. Now, after checking all these conditions, come to the additional condition that I have told you. So check the condition of the Sagittarius zodiac sign and Pisces zodiac sign. Check if any planet is sitting there, like Rahu, Venus, or Jupiter. That shows that surely you will get a foreign spouse. Or check if 7th house lord is sitting in the Sagittarius or in a Pisces zodiac sign. Or 7th house is ruled by Sagittarius zodiac sign or Pisces zodiac sign. That shows that surely you will have a foreign spouse. But not only these conditions may prove you that you will get a foreign spouse, check other condition also, like check the condition of Rahu. Let's say for example, if Rahu is sitting in the 7th house, or Rahu is aspecting the 7th house, or Rahu is sitting with the 7th house lord, or Rahu is aspecting the 7th house lord by its 5th, 7th and 9th aspect, that shows that surely will have a very good foreign spouse. Now after checking this condition, check the condition of 12th house lord, 9th house lord and 5th house lord, and even 12th house, 9th house and 5th house. So let's say for example, if 7th house lord is sitting in the 12th house, or 12th house lord is sitting in the 7th house, or 12th house lord and 7th house lord is conjuncted each other, or they are having parivartana exchange, that shows that surely you will have a foreign spouse. Now let's say for example, if 7th house lord is sitting in the 5th house, or 5th house lord is sitting in the 7th house, or 7th house lord sitting in the 9th house, or 9th house lord sitting in the 7th house, or 7th house lord is conjuncted with the 9th house lord and 12th house lord, or 9th house lord is conjuncted with the 12th house lord with the 5th house lord, that shows that surely you love someone who is out of your country. So these are all the main conditions that you need to check before predicting whether you will get foreign spouse or not. So these conditions you need to check in the Navamsa chart or the D9 chart also for confirmation. Now after checking these conditions, check the nakshatras also. So let's say for example, if 7th house lord is sitting in the nakshatra of 9th house lord. So let's say for example, Aries ascendant. So for Aries ascendant, Venus rules the 7th house, right? So 7th house lord will be Venus and 9th house lord will be Jupiter. Now let's say for example, if Venus is sitting in the Purva Bhadra nakshatra, so that too in the 11th house. So that shows that surely this person will actually get a foreign spouse. Now if 7th house lord is sitting in the 12th house, so let's say for example, if Venus is sitting in the 12th house for Aries ascendant, that shows that surely this person will get a foreign spouse or will have a foreign contacts. So these are all the conditions that are mainly seen in many horoscopes. So those are all married to a foreign spouse. So this is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see you in the next video. That is the Planet to Navamsa series in the 5th house of D9 Navamsa chart. So if you want any consultancy, please to contact to my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.